Very good morning, everyone. Jeremy here on strategic.com.sg with a market recap for the S&P 500 trading week ending 7th of May 2021. So the S&P 500 closes at an all-time high, 4234. The monthly charts suggest a super uptrend starting since the 1st of December 2010. 12 years or 11 years in the running, and the trend doesn't seem to be letting off any steam at all. And on the monthly charts, very strongly supported at Tenkan line at about the 3,700 level with a pivot at 3408. Expecting new highs on the monthly charts. On the weekly charts, on a medium-term basis, still extremely bullish. Uptrend started at the level of 3168 on the 1st of June 2020, targeting new highs. And we have new highs and very much supported in the medium term at 4010 with the taken line of the Ichimoku cloud, as well as the pivot and Kijun is now at 3889, very well supported, and we are expecting new highs as we head towards the end of May. So the old saying of sell in May, go away is not in play yet. The uptrend is still very much intact. On a short-term basis, on the daily's chart, the long signal was issued on the 1st of April, April Fool's Day, at the level of 4012, targeting new highs. We have new highs, all right. And essentially, if you're asking me what the levels are going to be moving forward, you can see these are Fibonacci extension levels, levels that are used to actually project new highs in the market. So if you can see the Fibonacci extension level, the next one is at 4291, and this is 1.68 level from where the signal was taken off. You can start to play around with Fibonacci extension levels, a very powerful tool. And finally, after 4291, we might see 4560, which is 2.618 times from the retracement level at 3855. All right, so a lot of good things to come from the S&P 500. Daily's chart still extremely bullish. And of course, if you are a swing trader, it's a little bit difficult to maneuver last week, because on the shorter term charts below the 4 hour, even 1 hour or the 30 minutes charts, you might be able to find a lot of volatility in your trading because you can see that the S&P 500 actually broke down somewhere in the 3rd of May, and then after that we had a new long signal again at the level of 4,212 points on the 7th of May 2021, right? So for swing traders, you may have had a tough time over the past couple of days, couple of weeks, because the S&P 500 has been actually pretty volatile in terms of trying to hold a position, especially since the 20th of April last month. So if you compare the 4 hourly charts as well as the daily's chart, you can actually see that if you trade on a longer term time frame, you'll find that your stops will not be triggered as often. So long-term traders tend to gain higher profits and lower tendency to get stopped out. If you have traded on the daily's chart with a long at 4012 and held it up to now with your stop loss at the pivot point, and currently which is at 4098, all right, you will not be stopped out on your positions. Whereas if you had traded on the 4 hourly chart or even the 2 hourly chart or the 1 hourly chart, you notice that you have been stopped out quite a few times along the way, and it's a little bit non-productive for swing traders especially. So thank you very much for watching, guys. Uptrend on the S&P 500, and we expect higher highs as we come on towards the end of last week, and see what happens for next week. Good luck, guys, and remember to follow my blog at www.quantstrategic.com.sg for all the levels that I've talked about, as well as all the charts will all be there for you to see the levels to watch. Thanks a lot. Have a nice weekend, guys.